Here's how to post Instagram story from laptop or PC. First, open an internet browser and go to instagram.com. Make sure you're logged into your account, then click on your profile from the left-hand menu. When you click on your profile picture, you may notice that there isn't an option to upload a story. That's because Instagram normally encourages users to post stories through the mobile app. However, you can still upload a story from your computer by switching your browser to mobile view. To do this, right-click anywhere on the page and select Inspect. This will open the developer tools, but you can ignore the code. Now, find and click on the device icon to enable mobile view. On the left-hand side, you'll see a dimensions option. Click on the drop-down menu and select any mobile device. For example, you can choose an iPhone 14. If you can't see the entire page, adjust the zoom percentage to make everything fit on your screen. Once you're in mobile view, click on the home button in the bottom left corner. Then, refresh the Instagram page a few times until the option to upload a story appears. Once you see your story in the top left corner, click on it. This will open your computer's file browser. Now, find the image or video you want to upload and double-click on it. If you see a security message, select Allow on every visit. Your selected photo will now appear in the story editor. Click on Add to your story at the bottom. Instagram will then upload the image and your story will be posted. To check it, click on Your Story and you'll be able to see the story you just uploaded. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.